The 5 Rand 2018 South Africa coin may seem like a simple piece of metal, but to the eyes of collectors and enthusiasts, it is far more than that. On the surface, it appears to be just another coin, minted for everyday use, a tool for transactions and small purchases. Yet, beneath its ordinary exterior lies a story that connects history, culture, and rarity in a way that few modern coins can. Each curve, each edge, and each symbol on this coin carries a meaning, a narrative that speaks to the craftsmanship and artistry that went into its creation. The design is deliberate, the weight precise, and the finish immaculate, reflecting both the technological advancements of modern minting and the timeless traditions of coin artistry that South Africa has maintained for generations. This coin, part of South Africa's modern currency system, was minted in 2018. A year that marked significant moments for collectors and historians alike. Unlike mass-produced coins that flood circulation every year, this particular coin has characteristics that make it highly desirable. Some variations were produced in limited quantities, while others were struck with specialized techniques that give them unique features visible only to those who examine them closely. Experts in numismatics, the study and collection of coins, often describe coins like this as hidden treasures, pieces that carry immense historical and aesthetic value beyond their face value. Collectors often marvel at the coin's intricate design. The imagery is symbolic, reflecting elements of South Africa's natural heritage, its wildlife, and its cultural identity. The edges, smooth yet deliberate, offer a tactile experience that is surprisingly satisfying. Even the sound it makes when dropped onto a hard surface is distinct, a subtle reminder of its metal composition and quality. Those who study coins know that these small, seemingly insignificant details can transform a standard coin into a collectible masterpiece. The 2018 5 Rand coin has been scrutinized under magnification by collectors around the world, each discovering unique patterns and variations that make some versions far rarer than others. But rarity alone is not the only factor that draws attention. The story behind its production adds a layer of fascination. Minted in a year that emphasized quality and limited releases, this coin was part of a special batch that few ever anticipated would gain international recognition. Many collectors did not immediately recognize its potential value, treating it initially as a standard coin. Over time, however, those with a keen eye noticed anomalies, variations in minting, slight differences in embossing, and subtle changes in metallic composition that indicated these coins were unlike any others in circulation. As these details became known in the collecting community, demand skyrocketed. History has shown that coins with unique characteristics often achieve extraordinary values. Numismatists around the globe keep meticulous records, tracking production numbers, minting errors, and historical significance. When a coin is both rare and visually appealing, its value can increase exponentially. The 5 Rand 2018 coin fits this pattern perfectly. What makes it remarkable is that while it was created in a modern era of mass production, certain versions defied the odds, emerging as rare collectibles whose appeal transcends borders. The excitement among collectors grew steadily, fueled by auctions, private sales, and discussions within specialized communities. Everyone wanted to know who owned one, and how many were still hidden away in drawers, forgotten purses, or safety deposit boxes. The allure of this coin is also tied to human fascination with rarity and the thrill of discovery. Owning a coin like the 5 Rand 2018 is not just about monetary value, it's about connection to history, pride in possessing something unique, and the story that comes with it. Collectors often describe the feeling of holding such a coin as almost magical, a tangible link to both the present and the past. Each coin tells a story not only about the country and its culture, but also about the journey of the coin itself, how it traveled, changed hands, and eventually became an object of immense desire. Over the years, as the coin changed hands through private sales and auctions, its reputation grew. Dealers and collectors alike began to recognize that this was not an ordinary piece of currency, it was a symbol of rarity, craftsmanship, and prestige. Those fortunate enough to acquire it understood that they were holding something extraordinary, something that could never be replicated exactly. Discussions about its value began circulating, with experts estimating potential prices in the millions. And then, one moment transformed the coin's status forever. What once seemed like a modest collectible became a global sensation. Auctions were held, collectors competed fiercely, and the coin's final sale set a record that stunned the numismatic community. This particular 5 Rand 2018 South Africa coin, celebrated for its rarity, design, and historical significance, was sold for an astonishing $18.5 million. The price shocked both casual observers and dedicated collectors alike, proving that even a coin from the modern era can achieve legendary status when rarity, craftsmanship, and story align perfectly. The 5 Rand 2018 South Africa coin is more than a piece of currency. It is a testament to the power of rarity, the beauty of design, and the enduring fascination humans have with objects that tell a story. In its metal lies history, in its form lies art, and in its ownership lies prestige. For anyone who studies coins, collects them, or simply appreciates the extraordinary, this coin represents the pinnacle of what a modern collectible can be. And its final price of $18.5 million cements its place in history, not just as a coin, but as a treasure admired by the world.